Hello everyone, my name's George, welcome to Swagger and Swoon. I'm going to show you a few ways to tie your scarf today, for if you just need a little bit of inspiration with that. So we've got one of our Argyle scarves here, and the really simple way of doing it is obviously to take your scarf and drape it around the neck like so, and you can actually just tuck the ends in to your coat like so, and that, gives you that pattern, that look. It's quite a sort of classic, slightly more refined way of doing it, some people think. That's a very quick way of doing it. The classic way for sort of optimum warmth is if you actually offset it like so, wrap it round, so you end up with sort of this one wrapped around your neck there. That gives you sort of the maximum warmth out of a scarf that you're going to get. Also, another way to stay really nice and warm with a scarf is to take it, fold it in half like this, and wrap that double round your neck and tuck your ends through there. Again, a really warm way of doing it because you have loads of that scarf around your neck there. Quite a nice stylish way, I think, to tie this one is actually to have your two ends like so, and you tie a very simple knot up and under there. Oops. Up and under there. And then this one can be sort of spread out like so. It's almost like wearing a cravat, this one. And you can tuck your ends into your coat down there, and that gives you sort of a really simple, stylish way of just wearing your scarf. Shows off any pattern on the scarf as well there. But there's just a few ways of tying your scarf if you just need a bit of inspiration.